Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar for 8 April 2021. So this analysis is for 8 April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 9 April. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP USD. I'm using the 4 hours time frame, the one of the most beloved time frame in the Forex market. And as you can see, the chart is not that pretty. Okay, if you just look at the chart, then you won't get a clear picture. So, and this is the overall chart of GBP USD. I have zoomed out, and this is the chart from February for this is the chart of GBP USD for the last 2 months. So you can see that market was trending before, and after that market fell, and since this portion market is not giving us any clear picture. Market going up, coming down, going up, coming down, and we can see that market tried to cross this particular level. Okay, this particular level 3 times on 3 different occasions. Market tried to cross the level 1.1.4000. Okay, market tried to cross this level on 3 different occasions, and market failed, and ultimately market came down. Right now you can see the market went up again, and if you remember correctly, when market was very much bullish here, I told you not to buy it. I told you that this our area of value is not matching, so you should refrain from executing your buying order. And see, I just I just saved your hard-earned money, because see, from this particular point market fell. Anyways, this is the weekly chart of GBP USD, and you can see that for market is taking support at this level again, 1.3766. So for this is the third week. For this is the third week when market is taking support at this level. Previous week also, we saw that market was taking support. Therefore, there is no doubt that this is a very important level for the market. If you consider these candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 candles, which means 1.5 months, means this support is a valid support, very crucial support for the market, because this is the support that is providing the support to the market for last 1.5 months. Okay, therefore just try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, the thing is that there are some buyers present in the market who are not allowing the market to go down, who are trying their best to keep the market above this level. So that is a very good sign for us, and as of now market is just trading at this level. So if we consider the overall scenario, then I'll tell that yes, yesterday I told you not to buy. Okay, yesterday I told you what is the fancy? Yeah, yesterday remember I told you not to buy here because things were not very clear, but today I'll say that yes, considering all the factors, now we have GBP USD in our area of value. Okay, if you want, then you can go for a buy order here, because if we consider this as the support, okay, and so market has taken support, price rejection from below, and market is trying to go up. Okay, if you want, then you can press the buy button right now, or wait for some time, let the market come down a little bit, or take support again. Okay, and then you can buy. Overall market is in buying zone right now after 1 or 2 days. And if we look at this particular portion, we can see that market is in oversold zone. So considering all these factors, okay, considering this support, market's oversold condition, and markets taking support at this level for 1.5 months, so this is a good place to execute the buy order. Okay, you can execute the buy order here, or wait for some time to market to come down a little bit, and then go for buy order. Do remember your stop loss will be below this line. Okay, so in case this trade goes wrong also, but in the long run, in a setup like this, you will always be making money. If you go for 10 trades like this, your 2 or 3 trades may go wrong, but in 7 or 8 trades you will be making good amount of money. So overall, the picture is good. You can go for a buy order right now. The previous candle would have been much better to execute the buy order. This okay, but still it is not too late. So right now you can take, or in case you do not want to take entry in the middle and you want a more safer entry, okay, if you're looking for a more safer entry, then you will have to wait for the market to reach this level, 1.4000, because I showed you already on the chart that market tried to cross this level, okay, 3 times, but market failed. So when market will be going up again, if market reverses from here, because definitely sellers will try to provide resistance to the market, they'll try to push the price downward. Okay, so if market reverses from there, you can short the market or sell GBP USD here. Okay. This is a very safe entry, and in case market crosses the level, you can go for a buy order. This is the very safe entry, but as of now, this is also a not a very bad position to enter into the market. Okay. Yeah, a little bit late. The previous candle would have been much better, but still you can go for an entry. But do remember, you need to follow risk management. If you do not know how to follow risk management, I have videos in my course. You'll find in the YouTube channel. Okay, in the Forex learning playlist, you'll find how to manage the risk. Risk management is very essential. See, because any trade can go wrong. Even this trade can also go wrong, but your risk management will always save you. So always try to follow risk management. Okay, never compromise with the discipline. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. And if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. See you tomorrow.